Hello everyone, my name is Michelle Unger. I am the owner of Quality PC Training, and today I am here to give a quick tutorial on how to insert hyperlinks in Microsoft Excel 365. So hyperlinks are very useful. They allow you to access your email program, websites, web pages, other files, including external files, or even other parts of the worksheet that you're working on. I'm going to show you two different methods today, including inserting a hyperlink from the main menu and then also typing a hyperlink in directly into the cell, which is called the manual method. And we're also going to learn some additional tips and tricks, including editing and removing. So the first step is to find a blank cell in which to put your hyperlink. And then from there, you're going to go up to the insert menu. On your menu bar, your toolbar, you're going to go to link and then insert link. And from here, you're going to go ahead and type in the name of the web page. But before we do that, I wanted to show you a couple of other options. You can also link to different parts of your workbook, including different sheets. You can also click and link onto email addresses if you choose. So you would just have to type those in. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to put in QPCT, which is my website, and then I'm going to type in the full address of my website. And then I'm going to press OK. So once I do that, I can also increase the font size to make it a little bit easier by clicking on the Home tab and increasing the font size. So that part's optional. Once I do that, I'm able to quickly click right on that link and open up my web page. So that's a very easy tip and trick to do that. And then if you did want to do some additional things, as well as editing, you can right click, you can edit if you typed it in incorrectly. You can also remove your link, and you can also open your link from there. So just something to make note of, if you do remove the link, you do have to press delete one more time to get rid of the text. All right, so that is the insert menu option. You can also insert hyperlinks simply by typing into the cell. So again, find a blank space and you would just type in the address of the website you are looking to go to. And I am choosing the Buffalo Sabres for this one. And same thing as before, you click on the link and it will take you right to that page. So that's the two ways to insert hyperlinks into Excel. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you again soon.